Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to change Google Chrome language back to English. Kung ikaw ay currently experiencing an issue with Chrome that is set to a different display language, I'm going to show you how to go about resolving that. Alright, so ang next step ay dito lang sa ating Chrome web browser. So open lang natin yan. And then dito sa upper right side ay click mo lang tong tatlong dot. And then kailangan mo lang i-select tong settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select yung language. So click lang natin yan. And then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito yung language natin. Alright, kung wala kang makitang English dito ay pwede kang mag-add language. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung add language. So click mo lang yan. And then select lang tayo dito yung English. Click lang natin ito. And then click mo lang tong add. And then nandito na siya. Alright, kung gusto mo naman gawin yung language used to display the Google Chrome UI, so napakadali lang naman. So ito yung old English natin, and then ito naman yung English United States. So click mo lang ito, tatlong dot dito, so click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-check tong box na to, so display Google Chrome in this language, so click mo lang yan. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan, kailangan lang natin mag-relaunch, so click mo lang tong relaunch. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So this language is used to display the Google Chrome UI. Alright? Kung gusto mo naman itong i-remove, so click mo lang itong tatlong dot. And then click mo lang itong remove. So click mo lang yan. And then na-remove na siya. And then pwede mo naman gawing dito move to top. And then pwede naman itong move to down. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-change ng Google Chrome language back to English. Alright? So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you on my next tutorial.